Hi everyone. Today, let's understand Nikhilam division. Before that, let's understand what is Nikhilam Sutra. Nikhilam Sutra can be used both for multiplication and division of digits. And Nikhilam multiplication is widely used even for binary multiplication as well. So, what is Nikhilam? So, Nikhilam Sutra stipulates subtraction of a number from its the nearest power of 10. So if we have a number like 11, we will take the base as 10. That is its nearest power, 10 to the power 0. If we have something like 998, then we will take 10 power 3. The nearest base is 1000. So the Nikhilam is the subtraction of the number which is of interest and its base. Say we have a number like 110 and its nearest base is 100. So the difference is 10. So that is our Nikhilam. Nikhilam Sutra in Vedic mathematics is widely used, as I said earlier, and it is faster than other approaches. So you can get a result within seconds for bigger numbers. And one thing to note here is Nikhilam division is mainly used when the divisor is less than its base. For divisor which is slightly greater than the base, we have another sutra called Paravartya Yojayat, which we will be discussing later in the series. Let's dive into some live examples so you'll understand the sutra in a better way. Let's understand Nikhilam division for single divisor. Let's say we have a number 1, 2, 1, so which we want to divide by 9. So in that case, we have to take 9, 1, 2, 1 and split the dividend into two parts in such a way that the remainder to have same digit that of the divisor. In this case, we have to split the dividend into two parts at 1 since our divisor having single digit. Then we have to take the complement of 9, that is 10 minus 9 is 1. 1. Then we have to multiply this complement with the first digit. So 1 into 1 is 1. Before that, we have to take the first digit down as it is. So we are taking 1 as it is, then we are multiplying with 1, we are getting 1. Then we have to add the product, whatever we got when multiplied with the first digit and the complement number. Then we should add with the second digit, that is 2 and 1. We get 3. So now finally we have to add everything. 3 plus 1 gives 4, 2 plus 1 gives 3. So the final answer is quotient is equal to 13 and remainder is equal to 4. Let's understand Nikhilam division for two-digit device. Take up 98 dividing 1 to 9. So as we discussed earlier, we have to divide the dividend into two parts such that the remainder should have same digit as that of the device. So in this case, we will divide at 2 and 9, between 2 and 9. Then the complement of 98 is 02. That is 100 minus 98 is 2. Then take the first digit as it is. It is 1. Then multiply the first digit with 1. That is 0 and 2. Here we have to do slight change from what we did for the Nikhilam division for single divisor. Instead of adding 0 and 2, we have to again multiply the complement with the second digit. That is 02 into 2 is 04 and place it down here. Then we have to add everything. 2 plus 4 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 0 is 2. Since we know that 116 is greater than 98 and remainder can never be greater than a divisor, we have to again divide 116 with 98. It is 116. We'll divide with 98 divided the bifurcate. So take the complement, take the first digit as it is, multiply with the first digit, we get 0 and 2, add everything, 1, 8. So here 18 is the absolute remainder, and the one which we have in the quotient part will be added to the main quotient, that is for 12. So the final answer will be quotient is equal to 13 and remainder is equal to 18. Let's check this out. 98 into 13, we have 1274 plus 18, we have 129. That is the answer. Let's take up one more example, that is 97 dividing 3, 4, 8 and 5. So again we have to divide the dividend into two parts. So we are dividing between 4 and 8. The complement of 97 is 0, 3. So as we know, take 3 as it is, then multiply 3 with the first digit, 0, 3 with the first digit, we get 0, 9. Multiply 0, 3 with 4, that is 1, 2. Then we have to add everything. We get 34 here, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. So as we know, the remainder cannot be greater than divisor. So we are dividing it again. 187 divided by 97. Divide 0, 3 is the complement. Take 1 as it is. Then 0, 3 into 1 is 0, 3. Add 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 90 is the absolute remainder, and this particular one goes and gets added to the main quotient. So the final answer is 35. The remainder is 90. So let's check this out. 97 into 35. We get 3395 plus 90. We get 3485. That is our dividend.